Alright you guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I do my polygel nails. It's super quick and super easy, and the first step you're going to do is go ahead and buff your bare nails. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and take my drill that I got off of Amazon, and I'm going to just buff my nails a little bit more.
Ooh, is it you saucy?
So now I'm going to take some nail polish remover and put it all over my nails. This way it'll take the oils off of my nails so the polygel will stay in place and stick better. So then I'm going to go ahead and use the Macart base gel and put one layer on all of my nails. So this is the Macart UV light. So I'm going to go ahead and put my hand in there, and then when it's all dry, I'm going to go ahead and take it out and buff them all again. This way your nail will have some scratches on it. That way the polygel will really adhere to your nail. So today I'm going to be using full cover nails. I got these off of Amazon. So the first thing you need to do obviously is see what nail fits your finger. So this is the Macart polygel in pink. So you're just going to squeeze out a little bit onto the nail. Go ahead and dip your brush in your slip solution, which I'm just using alcohol. And then you just fill the nail in. And that's really it. So then when it's all filled in, you're going to go ahead and just place it on the nail. Push it a little bit. Turn it over. Make sure you turn it over, because if you don't, it'll look crazy. So go ahead and flip it over and, blend it out underneath. And then you're just going to put it in your UV light, and then you're done. That's really it.
Ooh, is it you saucy?
Okay, so just a little tip. You're going to take the product and go sidewall to sidewall. Make sure that it's completely filled in, because with this method, if it's not, you're definitely going to be able to tell. This is really the easiest process, you guys. Like, if you want to be able to do your nails at home, I highly suggest this method. And let me tell you, they last for a good amount of time. So if you really want to do your nails at home, this method is the best way. So right here, I'm going to be doing a pink and white nail, and to do that, you're just going to get some white polygel, some pink polygel, and then you're just going to blend it together.
Ooh, is it you saucy?
And this is my first time doing a nail like this, but this is how it came out, and I think it is so cute. It's like cotton candy. I was just really feeling that nail. Yes.
Ooh, is it you saucy?
And boom, there you have it. First hand done. And my camera died, so I didn't get to film my other hand, like the whole process, but it is the same exact process as the first hand. And right here, I'm just adding more product to the tips of the nails. This way the color will really show through and the nails will be really strong. This is how both hands are looking, but you're not done yet. You're going to go ahead and flip your nails over and drill out any mistakes you might have made. So if you have any like clumping, if they're too sharp, too long, go ahead and drill it out. Now we get to move on to my favorite part, and for some reason I didn't get to record it, but I used the McCart top gel on that nail, and then I'm just adding some diamonds all the way around, and then when I'm done with the diamonds, I'll go ahead and cure it. The diamonds are done, I go ahead and put top gel all over each nail and then cure it. And this is the final look. They're super cute, super easy, and if I can do it, you can do it. This method is super easy, and I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys next time.